Hi everyone. Let us discuss some more problems from integration. Today we discuss on integration by partial fractions. Now the partial fractions are of different structures. First structure, if any function is in this form px plus q by x minus a x minus b, when this structure is existing in the problem is to be proceeded in this way. Then we reduce that problem into partial fractions of a by x minus a plus b by x minus b, and we proceed with the problem. Let us do a problem based on the structure 1. Example, integration of 2x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 2 dx. Now I am considering separately the structure 2x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to I'm just taking this. Let this is equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by x minus 2. Now on taking LCM and rearranging it, the denominators get cancelled. So we can write 2x plus 1 is equal to a times x minus 2 plus b times x plus 1. Open the brackets. 2x plus 1 is equal to ax minus 2a plus bx plus b. Now rearrange it. 2x plus 1 is equal to a plus b times x plus b minus 2a. Now on comparing, here coefficient of x is 2, here coefficient of x is a plus b. So we will get a plus b is equal to 2, this is equation 1, and b minus 2a is equal to 1. So I am writing minus 2a plus b is equal to 1. Solving equation 1 and equation 2, a plus b is equal to 2, minus 2a plus b is equal to 1. This is plus, this is minus, minus. So get cancelled. This is 3a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 by 3. Now, substituting a in one of the equation, so a plus b is equal to 2. So 1 by 3 plus b is equal to 2, which will give b is equal to 2 minus 1 by 3, and b is equal to 6 minus 1 is 5 by 3. So we got a value and b value. Therefore, we can write 2x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by x minus 2. This is equal to 1 by 3 times 1 by x plus 1 plus 5 by 3 times 1 by x minus 2. Now, integration of 2x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 2 dx can be written as 1 by 3 was outside into 1 by x plus 1 dx plus 5 by 3 times 1 by x minus 2 dx. Now this is 1 by 3. So 1 by x form is log x. So log x plus 1 plus 5 by 3 times log x minus 2 plus c. You can stop here, no need of going further. Okay. Hope you have understood this problem. Structure 2, if the function is in the form of px plus q by x minus a whole square, then it is reduced to the partial fraction a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square. Okay. Using the structure 2, we'll do one example. Integration of 3x minus 2 by x plus 1 whole square into x plus 3 dx. So how do we do this? Now this structure has first structure as well as second structure. Both together is there in this structure, in this problem. So we will open accordingly. Okay, let 3x minus 2 by x plus 3 into x plus 1 whole square is equal to first structure a by x plus 3 plus b by x plus 1 plus c by x plus 1 whole square. Taking LCM and cancelling the denominators on both sides, we get 3x minus 2 is equal to a times x plus 1 whole square plus b times x plus 3 into x plus 1 plus c times x plus 3. Now on opening the brackets, 3x minus 2 is equal to a times x square plus 2x plus 1 plus b times x square plus 4x plus 3 plus c times x plus 3. Now 3x plus 2 now 3x minus 2 is equal to x square term, if I take common, a plus b times x square plus x term, if I take common, 2a here plus 4b here plus c times x plus constant common a plus 3b plus 3c. Now on comparing coefficients. Now x square term, is there x square term here? Not there. So 0. 2a plus 4b plus c is equal to x term, and this is here coefficient 3. So 2a plus 4b plus c is equal to 3. And a plus 3b plus 3c is equal to -2. So we will get a plus b is equal to 0. 2a plus 4b plus c is equal to 3. A plus 3b plus 3c is equal to -2. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Now, from this I am writing a is equal to minus b and substituting in 2 and 3. Substituting a value in 2, 2 times minus b plus 4b plus c is equal to 3. This is 2b plus c is equal to 3. Equation 4. And minus b plus 3b plus 3c is equal to -2. So 2b plus 3c is equal to -2 is equation 5. Now solving 4 and 5, 2b plus c is equal to 3, 2b plus 3c is equal to -2. So minus, minus, plus. So this cancels. Minus 2c is equal to 5. C is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now substituting c in one of the equation, 4 we will take. So 2b minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3. 2b is equal to 3 plus 5 by 2. This is 6, 11 by b is equal to 11 by 4. Therefore, a is equal to minus 11 by 4. Therefore, integration of 3x minus 2 by x plus 3 into x plus 1 whole square dx is equal to minus 11 by 4 integration of 1 by x plus 3 dx plus 11 by 4 integration of 1 by x plus 1 dx. Then the last one minus 5 by 2 integration of 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Now minus 11 by 4 log x plus 3 plus 11 by 4 log x plus 1 minus 5 by 2. This one 1 by x square, 1 by x square can be written x to the power of minus 2. X to the power of minus 2 is x plus 1 to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus 6, which is again, if I write in a proper way, minus 11 by 4 log x plus 3 plus 11 by 4 log x plus 1 minus of minus is plus 5 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 plus c. Hope you have understood the problem now. Structure 3, if the function is in the form of px square plus qx plus r by x minus a whole square into x minus b, it is reduced in the partial fraction of a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square plus c by x minus b. Just now we have done that problem. Okay. That's all for today. More interesting topics in the next videos. Keep watching. Thank you very much. Bye bye.